What's going on YouTube? LSD here. Today's video is going to cover a few things. Just, basic maintenance for your coilovers, making sure you set your dampening correctly after you've got it all adjusted for your ride height and all that stuff. And then we're also going to replace the radio in this car later on. And we're going to have a sneak peek into our next major project for the car. So make sure you stay tuned for that. To adjust the dampening in your coilovers is actually really simple. You have this little knob up top here, and you just turn the clicks either towards the H for harder or the S for softer, and that just kind of determines how soft or hard your springs compress on each bump. Pretty simple. Alright, YouTube. I had a little boo-boo. Let me tell you, that hurts. Cut my nipple in half, bro. But enough about that. Today, we go shopping for a radio. Alright, let's go ahead and get this radio out. Ooh, moving's hard. Moving's very hard. Man. See, now it just feels weird to sit here. I'm gonna close the door. Where am I gonna put you? I guess I'll just hold you. Alright, so to remove your dash area, you gotta twist this. Let me tell you guys, my body does not agree with me over all the years. I've just been too hard on it. My right hand's not the same as it used to be because I tore both the ligaments in my thumb playing basketball years ago and did surgery, and I retore the ligament here. This one's still good. So now I just don't have the strength in my hands anymore. So I have a left hand. That's good enough. All right, and this boot, this just pops. Oh, this just pops right out. Let's just take that out first. Oh, there's screws right here we gotta take out. And yes, I brought the drill. I'm a lazy sack of shit. I'm sorry. Helpful if I can see. I don't know if these screws are necessary to take this dash apart, but no point in taking chances, right? Dropped it. It's okay. This dash, I don't know if you can see, it's all the same, so it does not go far. I just lost that screw. It's right here. Again, right hand does not work the same as it used to. Basically, all this just pops right out.
know this is supposed to come out first. I just can't get my hand under there without both hands. Oh, yes I can. See, I knew there was another screw. Look at that. It's already loose. Ow. I just have to get that after this comes off. This just pops right out. Now I can get this screw. This is just that clip right there. It just pops right off. This gets kind of turned to the side like that, and bam, it's like that. Work right there. So you need to get at least one, a matching one, two, and I think you need to get three, and no one ever put this one in there. Love it. Oh, maybe it's this one. Maybe I need that one and that one. We're gonna find out. I went and got an extender. Now to reach. Get this out. She's looking for me.
I had no idea you were out here.
I told you I was coming out here.
Yeah, but I came out here earlier and I didn't see you.
Cause I'm in here. You can't see me, but I can see you.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
She thought I was kidding.
I thought I heard something over here and I was like, where is he? But then I didn't see you, so I just locked the door.
Yeah. No, I'm down here. Y'all thought I was kidding that you couldn't see into the car. I'm doing this now, and y'all are seeing this later. So, really, I'm learning first, or I could just go around it like that. Yeah, just pull it out, force it out. This hunk of junk comes out, and we have that mess back there. Exactly what I was expecting to see. What's this? What? See, now I'm curious. All right, I got a cable. Excuse me, Ella. Choice. Yeah, give me a dev error. Go away, please. So it won't work. Worth a shot, though, right? Alright, so you didn't see any of that. I was in here talking to myself for the longest time. I didn't realize I paused it. I got it all out. There's screws that go from here to the side of here. 2 on this side, 2 on the other side. I guess I could put that back on if I really wanted to. Then the cable, the harness comes out. Here's your stock harnesses. They plug in respectively there to there, and the big one to the big one right there. Here's my antenna, which I don't know if it works. I might need to get a different antenna, or it could just be the radio. This is what goes to, this runs to this cable that's sitting in the glove box right here, that I didn't know what it was before. But, correct me if I'm wrong, I think this is an old iPod cable. It's been every bit of, 12 years since I've seen one. So I'm trying to remember if that's accurate or not. But I'm pretty sure that's where that goes. Where does this go? I mean, I'm just finding cables left and right. There's a cable that runs back down here. Where does this go to? Where do you go? What do you do? They have it run under the mat. I'm getting so sidetracked. Hello, what are you? Add zest. No, thank you. What is this? What? Do you run somewhere? Do you run to the antenna? Bro, I found some Japanese stuff. I kind of want to plug all this back in just so I could hear it. At the same time, it didn't work clearly. Let's take all this inside. We'll mess with all this dumb stuff. I mean, from the factory harness, they have yellow going to orange for lights, but they have orange from the factory harness going to yellow for the battery. Some of the colors add up. Green and black, green and black, green to green. But then you got things like purple and black and purple to gray and black gray. But then this one, gray and black gray, goes to gray and black gray. And this one, green and black, go to white and black. Blue to blue, but also have another blue. Red to red, that works. A few snipped wires, which I don't know why, I don't know what they do. But yeah, so let's take all this inside, dissect it, and go from there. Like, what is this? What is this pink int? What does the INT stand for? I'm drawing a blank on it. Drop a comment down below, make me feel stupid, please. This antenna, this remote wire, I don't have. See, I thought there were subs installed back here, small ones. I'll have to look, and if so, I'll run that remote to them. That'd be cool. But I don't need them. That could be for another project for another time. But let's take all this inside. We'll get the new radio out of my wife's car, because that's where we took to go get it, down from Walmart. You know, Walmart special. And let's get to wiring, I guess. It is almost 4 in the afternoon. It is not good morning. Alright, so I went ahead and plugged everything in, connected the ground wire and the cables. Let's see what we get. Alright, I forgot to connect the antenna wire too, but we do have power. Now, do we have channels? Hear it. Now the biggest thing, which I'm gonna have to stop recording for, because again, I record on my iPhone, is do I have Bluetooth? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, and just like that, the GTR has radio again. And I can connect it Bluetooth. It does work. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video. If you enjoyed this, if you needed the information, go ahead and hit the like button, leave a comment down below, and, you know, just say what's up while you're here. You know, doesn't hurt. I appreciate it. I respond to all comments. But until next time, peace, guys. You know, before I get out of here, I was going to do the whole thing again, because, you know, I always see guys do it on car videos, and I guess it just like rung in my head last time. I was like, you should do that. I ain't gonna do it. It's corny. So I'm done doing that. All right, I'm done. I promise. I swear. All right, guys. Peace. All right, son. You have a very big choice now. Which one should Daddy get for his GTR? These or these? Which one do you like better?
I just want to get down.
You gotta pick one first, and then you can get down, okay? Which one do you like better?
This one.
You like this one better?
Yeah.
That's what your mama said, too.